Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed our first 3 challenges for the Superbadge, let's go to our fourth challenge. So once if you click on launch, go to flow and click on new flow and scroll down, click on view all. So here we are going to choose template triggered flow, click on it and choose automatic inputs. For prompt template type, give record summary. Scroll down and for object type choose messaging. So there you will get a messaging session. Click on it and then close this, and now click on plus next to it and here choose action. So here type get conversation, select that. Let's copy our label and description. My bad guys, this is not the label or below label which is given over here. Get conversation transcript, copy this. Before that, let's remove the API and paste it over there. Let's copy the description and paste. So for record ID, type prompt, choose prompt template input, messaging session, and if you scroll to the bottom by typing ID you will get messaging session ID. Choose it and now close this and click on plus next to it and add prompt instruction. Let me go back and copy our label and paste it as well as our description, paste it. And here in insert a resource, choose get conversation transcript followed by conversation transcript. So once if it is done, close this and now click on save. Let's save this flow, copy this flow name and paste it over here, flow label, and then description as well. Let's copy this and paste it over here followed by save. And now let's go to home and in quick find search for prompt builder and click on new prompt template. Choose record summary over there and then let's copy our label and description. And for object type choose messaging session. Now click on next and now let's go back and copy this prompt which is right over here and paste it over here. And coming from next to this line, remove all this and in insert resource click on messaging session and record snapshot. And same way let's remove this and go to insert resource, choose flows So before that, go back and make sure this is activated so that we will get the option. Go to flows followed by send ESSO messaging and just save this and go back to flow followed by new flow and choose auto launch to flow. Just click on back. Let me create it from first. So choose auto launched and auto launch to flow with no trigger and click on plus, add get records. So here ensure the label and description and give object as messaging session. So for field give messaging session ID and for value click on new resource, choose variable And ensure API name and description. Choose data type as text and available for input, followed by done. And now click on plus next to get messaging. Choose action and here type ESSO. If it is not coming, let's go back and click on activate on this prompt so that we will get. So before that, click on save with this name and description which is given over here, and give a refresh to the browser, and then if you come back, click on action. Now type ESSO, we will get the messaging session, ESSO messaging session. Now let's copy our label. Copy the label and description, and here type messaging session followed by entire resource for object. And now check this box, manually assign variable, and now click on prompt response followed by new resource. So here give customer. So for record type, choose variable and API name as customer sentiment. Description, let's copy from here. Give data type as text and make available for input. Click on done. Now click on save followed by activate. After activating, go to quick find and search for Agentforce agent, and now click on ESSO. Open in builder, and here click on new followed by new topic. Let's fill all these things. Click on next, fill it out. So once done, click on next followed by finish. Now go to customer sentiment analysis. Go to this topic action followed by new, create new action. Choose flow followed by customer sentiment handler. Click on next. Give some loading text. Click on require input. Click on finish. Scroll up, uncheck this. So if you are not getting the output screen, just go back to our customer sentiment handler flow. So if you go to this toolbox, there will be customer sentiment which will be available over there. So here make sure available for output is chosen and click on done. Make sure to save as new version and then activate it again. If you come back, give one Chrome refresh, and then you will able to see the output section as well. And now click on required input and show in conversation. By following the same step, click on finish, and for loading text, enter loading and then finish. So yeah guys, let's activate this now. Ignore and activate. So yeah guys, let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this Superbadge, and one more challenge which we will face while checking the challenges. Let me show that. In the variables in customer sentiment, make sure available for input is deselected and then only it is available for output. And if you save this version and click on activate, you will be able to pass this challenge. So yeah guys, if you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.